Since 1875, the St. Joseph University of Beirut has been a beacon of academic excellence, social responsibility, and human solidarity. It has always championed justice, respect, and committed to supporting the most vulnerable. Accessible to all and committed to serving Lebanon and the region, the university fulfills its social responsibility, promotes inclusion, and rejects all forms of discrimination. Reverend Father Kolvenbach, former Superior General of the Society of Jesus, once said that USJ students aren't just programmed robots for market demands. Instead, they are trained to become men and women for and with others. This mission is reflected in the university's institutions and initiatives. The USJ Campus Ministry, available across the university, provides a welcoming space for engagement and interaction. It primarily aims to foster connection and dialogue within the USJ community, addressing the country's challenges and the fundamental questions about the meaning of life, studies, commitment, and work. In times of confusion and distress, individuals seek guidance, support, and clarity to move forward. The campus ministry aims to be a reference point, a space where students, instructors, and staff can reflect on what truly matters today. In July 2006, in response to the displacement caused by the Israeli aggression against Lebanon, Professor René Chamussi, rector of the university at the time, founded Opération Septième Jour, OSET. It has become a tool for civic engagement within the university community, aimed at serving the Lebanese society and those in greatest need. Founded by Father Rector Salim Dakash in 2015, Fondation USJ is dedicated to raising funds for financially disadvantaged students and supporting development projects for the university, Hôtel Dieu de France, and its hospital network. In October 2023, it launched its fundraising campaign, USJ Aspire for More, marking the university's 150th anniversary. The Financial Aid Office provides support, ensuring students can pursue their education at USJ without financial constraints. In addition to social grants, the St. Joseph University of Beirut offers a range of scholarships based on academic excellence and other criteria. The Student Life Office organizes student, civic, and cultural activities centered around 4 core values: living together, democracy, citizenship, and solidarity. In 2021, it launched the Generation Hope initiative. Since 2019, at the initiative of Rector Professor Salim Dakash, the human and social education of students is now included in their portfolio through a course where civic engagement, solidarity, and volunteerism enables them to face difficult social realities and thus have the opportunity to serve society through humanitarian micro-projects. Courses on general education, USJ values, ethics, and more are also part of the academic program available to all. Al-Mazid is an NGO founded by USJ students in March 2020 through the USJ En Mission initiative. The USJ student body is mobilized to support fellow students following the severe sanitary, financial, social, and economic crisis that has been affecting Lebanon since 2019, the Beirut port explosion, and the ongoing insecurity experienced by the Lebanese people. Today, the projects assist all community members, including retirees, in overcoming challenges. In response to recent crisis, the Hôtel Dieu de France, HDF, University Medical Center established a social solidarity fund to support individuals in need, including those without access to Social Security or private insurance. At Hôtel Dieu de France, the USJ Family Medicine Center provides accessible, continuous, comprehensive, and patient-centered healthcare at all ages. The Social Pediatric Clinic, in partnership with the Fondation Diane, was launched in 2022. It is the first social pediatric clinic in Lebanon, providing affordable care, especially for underprivileged children. In 2018, the University for All introduced inclusive education, offering a supportive environment for young people with special needs, helping them grow into independent and productive members of society. The USJ Inclusion Office supports individuals with specific needs, ensuring they feel included, supported, and empowered to thrive at the university. USJ offers quality care at an affordable price across several centers. The Dental Care Center of the Faculty of Dental Medicine, the Center for Diagnosis, Therapy and Research in Speech and Language Therapy of the Higher Institute of Speech and Language Therapy, the Center for Diagnosis, Therapy and Research in Psychomotor Therapy of the Institute of Psychomotor Therapy, and the University Center for Psychological Support, along with the Social Medical Center of the Good Shepherd Sisters in Jdeidi, in partnership with the Faculty of Medicine. Moreover, the counseling office is available to students for free, in addition to numerous initiatives for mental health and well-being. This is further complemented by the collaboration of the Faculty of Education, the Lebanese School of Social Work, and the Department of Psychology from the Faculty of Humanities with the Jesuit Refugee Service across Lebanon and the Middle East. Amid Lebanon's ongoing economic crisis since 2019, USJ has stepped up with resolve. Through donation campaigns and an increased aid budget, the university has provided scholarships to 53% of its students, demonstrating its commitment to education and social justice. On August 4, 2020, the Beirut port explosion devastated the city. USJ, heavily affected in its infrastructure, campuses, and hospital, responded with solidarity. Medical, academic, and administrative staff stepped in to care for the wounded and support affected families. During the COVID-19 pandemic, Hôtel Dieu de France treated over 1,000 patients and administered more than 150,000 vaccine doses. Between September and November 2024, Lebanon endured another Israeli attack, deeply affecting its people. The university took immediate action, setting up a plan to protect its community and maintain education. It also provided the necessary resources to keep academic and administrative operations running smoothly, both in person and online. Campus safety guides were updated and shared, and evacuation drills were conducted. Different institutions have come together to support those affected by the war, displaced individuals, and victims of violence, including over 2,000 of our students, instructors, staff. During this time, we focused on supporting displaced students facing financial challenges, families from southern Lebanon, and patients in our hospital network. To improve crisis management and decide preventive actions for better logistics and responsiveness, USJ provided first aid training in 2023, established first aid teams on all campuses, and set up emergency numbers and guides. All campuses were equipped with necessary first aid supplies. By overcoming these challenges, the St. Joseph University of Beirut demonstrates its resilience and unwavering commitment to both its community and the Lebanese society. USJ is not only a hub of knowledge, but also a pillar of service and fraternity for Lebanon. Together, we make a difference. This is the essence of USJ, the spirit of a Jesuit university, shaping men and women for and with others.